Well, it looks like we got another chance to board the euro. Deep discount. Somebody must have said something. Well, definitely. The banks are offering this euro up at a deep discount. So I'm taking the buy when I get in on this. So I placed a big iceberg order down here to capture that pullback. Looks like the retest on the 1 minute. It's my 1 minute right here. This is the 1 hour. And I'm looking to make about 30 pips here as the market comes back up to this pennant, this descending triangle, or whatever we call it. Get to that, I'm out. Probably go higher, but it's just really a scalp. I don't want to get all involved in this. Like, this is the time to jump in here. Of course, I wouldn't jump. I have pendings that go way down to like 109 or something, just in case we plummet. So I've got buy orders all the way. This is the weekly. So we finally invaded the tip of this. This is the window that hasn't filled. This is the missing window. So that whole time that this pullback's been going on, we've never cut into this 10 pip window here. Or this actually on the close, it's all the way down here. So this looks like the place that they're going to grab. Even people that had stops 30 pips below last week, they're getting clobbered there. So we could still go down another 50 pips. So if we go down there, I'm going to put buys all the way to the edge here, because it looks like one of those days where we're going to go down about 200 pips possibly, and then go up about 100. So I'm going to meet this market halfway here. Got this big order bank down here. This is typically when it comes unwrapped, right about here. The Dow Jones is about to open, so they want to take this all the way down. They got 20 minutes more of possible downward punishment. Just because, okay, well, that looks like the extent of it, so I'm going to buy here. The market. This broker's kind of slow. So this is the order that I showed you earlier. It's buys at the market, buys above, and buys slightly below. So it's a bracketed entry. It's a bracketed entry as far as the buys at the market, and if you get a wick like this, you're going to get filled on that buy limit, and if it keeps going up, you're going to get in as it chases down that next high. So here's the 5 minute, which there's actually hasn't taken a breath on the 5 minute. Okay, now I want to put in orders even deeper. There's a chance we could keep falling. So I'll put more down here, because we're about to take out the low of the day here. So it's like catch a falling knife, and you just have to put more orders down at the bottom. Okay, now we just tested the low of the day by about like a half a pip there. It's crazy. I'm buying here, even though it's probably going lower. It's just such a great price. So this one I have to move my buy limits down deeper. I'm going to start getting in way down here. We could see another 30 pips here in about a couple minutes. Here we go. Okay, now I'm buying at the market. And now I'm putting more in front. And inside of here is some quick take profits in these market orders. Okay. It looks like that was the nice juicy bottom. Wow. Nice pullback. 5 minutes still is just flat line down. There's absolutely no coming up for air. Okay, that 1 minute. Now that's the scalp to here. Then they dump. They might have already dumped that. Well, this is like the good old days. Yeah, just many a pip. Many a pip. Now, even bracketing this on the news with buy and sell stops, it's a 30 pip range. Market got really quiet, drifted up into that previous point. Okay, so here's the 5. And basically, this whole system's based on just placing orders lower with a time decay. So how much longer can we keep going down like this? I think we're reaching the first bounce on the 1 minute. This total smash down here, another 20 pips off of that supposed bottom. But this is all happening just before the Dow opens, so this is like the they clear the books and then they reload. They can probably dump the stock market. Seems to me something's got to give, and people start to move out of these stocks and come back into cash, and then cash is back, and stock market is gone. And I don't know, don't have gold up here, but maybe gold becomes the center point of psychological value. Who knows? Anyways, I'm just a scalper, and my target is the is this right here where it just fell out of bed, and that's now 50 pips north. So actually buying low, sell high as it comes down here, get some more. So I'll just come back here right as the Dow Jones is opening. 5 minutes till the Dow Jones opens. Got a triple bottom on the 1 minute. Take a look at this. First time I've seen these guys sync up. They're selling the euro and they're selling the stocks. So I'd say that somebody's really balancing the books at this point. These guys to be synced up is pretty weird, pretty rare. So if this takes out the low yesterday, and they and this is nothing but a sale going on, a momentary auction, then we're going to come down, grab that, go north, take out the high of the day, and this is going to, Dow Jones is going to be down about 800 points today. But that's how they run these things. And plus, you're coming near the end of the month. You got a holiday weekend coming up, and a lot of people aren't going to be, I guess, trading or something on Monday. So it's like this holiday illiquidity moves. I suppose a lot of people are already out getting smashed. So they're going to take profits here up in this first target, last known bottom. And then this one looking to ride it up into this yellow line here. Or this first target there. But I'll buy more if it goes down. And it just gets so squirrely here just before the opening of the Dow Jones. It's a classic. I've seen this so many times where they pull it back as the last 10 minutes just before the Dow opens, and then it either reverses or it keeps tanking. But typically it goes up. It's almost as if they're holding back that position for the with the opening of the cash market, then they release it. Because this 5-minute chart has not gone up yet. There's has not been one up move in about, I guess it's been about an hour, just straight down. So, well, 2 hours is straight down. Of course, only on the 5-minute. Do you see the? So something happened here. It was let's see, half hour, almost an hour. It'll be almost an hour. Okay, now here comes the retrace. My targets are scalping out here, and then if we can get one more plunge, I guess I'll reload. I've already put in some buy limits here to capture the whip back. If there is one more whip back before we go up. Otherwise, this is the ultimate target just for quick and dirty money. And certainly the conservative exit is to get out on the top of this 1-minute spike. But yeah, you still got a few minutes before the 2 minutes before the Dow opens. Split chance to make 20 pips here pretty quick. Just go up, boom, and then maybe it plunges after that. Right? It's hard to say. They like it up and down. I can tell you that. They love the up and downness of it all. So that's I guess wait till the Dow opens. Okay, and the Dow's open. So look how they pulled this thing right back to the center of that top bottom, just before the Dow opened. Okay, now we're going to find out real quick here whether this is the bottom, and we're looking for that retrace, or we're just going to fall off a cliff and just keep going down here. Another 30 pips. This is a moment of truth here. Got to take out the low of the day. That's where I'll be getting in here. Be on the low of the day. Makes a lower low, I went in. Okay, I'm going to buy at the market because it looks like just about reached this pause here in the middle of the. That's about as good as it gets. Puts a stop in above, a limit below. And then just have to just come back, see where we're at, go make some coffee. There you go, 110. Bam, 30 pip slam. So put another, my iceberg just got filled down here. And I'm looking for, this is my first target. And hopefully it blows out the top. Well, not so hopefully because I didn't put any orders there, but I'm going to reload the buy limits. If we get to here, I'm going to reload to buy 20 pips deep again, so I can get in on the next plunge. So this one bought heavy into there, and just see what happens here. Top of the hour is coming, and we still, this will be the first 5-minute chart that's closed up. This 5-minute chart does not have one up, and that's at an hour and a half. There's the half hour. So yeah, just either that or just put your order down here really deep and just wait till you get filled. Put your order just down here and just walk away. And if this thing retraces out of here, right, make money. There's nothing you can do about it. Can't force it to retrace, but definitely deep discount. You know, first target hit right there, 20 pip bounce, and we're going to look for it to clear this congestion zone here. This will be the first. It closes here. Be the first time we've gotten a retrace on the 5-minute. Pretty amazing discount today. Great time to buy.